Hello, so today we're going to be doing the Libeauty Lash System unboxing. So it says it comes with 4 lash lift lotion, 1 glue, 5 size lift pads, and a full toolkit. So as soon as we open it, we get the Libeauty instruction for the lash lift and the brow tint. Yeah, just gives you a little rundown on all the tools. So by starting off, we come with a little brush definer and a little pick so you can separate your lashes, and then a little thank you card. Okay, all right, so as soon as the top, it comes with 2 packs of under eyelid patches, and it comes, oh perfect, everything comes labeled. You got the lift, the fix, the care, and the cleanser, and then the lash glue, obviously, so you can glue the lashes on to the silicone pads. And then in here is the toolkit. Perfect. You get the lash pads, the silicone pads, sorry, and then you get more of these little brushes, and you get spoolies, like applicator tools, all the good stuff, and some tape in case you need to tape down some lashes. So that's everything that comes for the lash lift system. And then here is the box it also comes with. This is for the brow lamination. So it says eyelash brow. It's the tint kit. So this is the tint, so you can tint both the eyebrows and the eyelashes. Let's see. Ooh. Right. Perfect. It comes with skin protectant, the little mixing tool, developer, and the tint, of course, and some gloves so you don't stain your hands, because it does stain. So this is everything that this kit comes with. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and thank you for watching.